Hello, everyone. It's Lindsay, and today I thought I'd share with you some gratitude journaling that I'm doing using the October Faith Art Box from Creative Retreat Kits. This is Gracious Gratitude. Now, it does come with some beautiful devotional content with some verses to study, and I will be diving in and doing some verse study with this devotional content through the rest of the month. But I wanted to take a moment to just do some gratitude journaling with the kit because it is gratitude themed. I thought this would be perfect. And I just got back from taking my kids to a air show that our local Air Force Base did. And so I just wanted to take a moment to journal how thankful I am for what a great day that we had and show you some different ways to use these products. Of course, they're created to be Bible journaling products to get you to, work through the devotional content. But I don't know about you, but I always end up with a lot of leftovers, and I don't have leftovers yet because I'm just getting started, but I just wanted to show you some different ways that you can use the stickers in different projects and things like that. So what I have here is the products that come in the box. I have some past alphabet stickers that I'll be using. And then I'm also going to be using a lot of the printables from this month. So I do believe that the kit is still in stock in the shop, but if not, you can grab the devotional content digitally as well as the coordinating digital printables. And so you can do quite a bit just with the printables. So I've already gone ahead and printed those out and cut apart the pieces that I'm going to be using today. And I am working in a bullet journal, and I had a couple of photos from today that I wanted to document and then just give myself some space to just journal out things that I was thankful for today. As we are gearing up for the holidays, right around the corner, I like to do these kind of gratitude projects just to get my heart into a good place of thankfulness before we head into all the craziness of, holiday time. So let me go ahead and put you guys on fast forward, and we will quickly put together this little gratitude layout. Okay, so I'm going to start with this journaling card. This is in the printables, and I love the simplicity of this, but it allows for some customization. So it has those little checkoff boxes. I'm going to use this as more of a layering element. So don't be afraid to use your journaling cards for things other than journaling. You can tear them apart, cut them apart, use bits and pieces. That yellow piece there that I'm layering behind that photo, that was actually from one of the other journaling cards, and I just cut off the yellow part and used it as a layering element. So get creative with journaling cards. Don't be afraid to use them in ways other than, just journaling on them or pocket scrapbooking or something like that. Now, my photos are stickers, so I used my HP Sprocket printer. That printer does not have great print quality. The colors are a little off, but they're perfect for a project like this. So I can print photos on the go super, super quick. They are printed on sticker paper, so I can just stick it down in my journal. The idea with this project is I don't want it to take a lot of time. This is probably even more fuss than it needs to be. My goal is to spend a little bit of time each day in this journal documenting something I'm thankful for. And just reflecting on those moments of things that I'm thankful for, that I can go back and look at during the hard times. And I don't know about you guys, but the last few months have been tough. And so I could tell I was really having a hard time and I needed to do something different. And so I started this project really just to kind of get my mind in a better place and just start looking at the things that I'm thankful for and not focusing on all the chaos that's around us. So I would encourage you to look into a project similar to this. It does not have to be this elaborate. Just having a journal next to your bed and then journal at the end of the day, a couple things that you're thankful for. Today I'm journaling that I'm a little bit thankful for COVID, which sounds crazy. But thanks to COVID, we were able to have a beautiful day that we wouldn't have been able to have. There was an air show planned. This had been planned, forever. Normally we wouldn't be able to go because it's several hours away. They do it down at the base. It's just not something we would be able to go to. But because of COVID, they weren't able to do it at the base. So they decided to just do a flyover instead. And because of COVID, my kids can't go to school. They're on online school, so they didn't have to miss school. So they were able to, spur of the moment, we just packed up, drove a couple hours to the, a town south of us and sat out in a parking lot and got to watch all of these really cool military jets and planes fly over. My boys go to a military academy, and so it's part of the pathway is also flight. They have flight classes and things like that. And so they're very interested in all these planes. And so they were super excited to get to sit there and see all of these, military jets. And then when we got all done, they're like, "Hey, Mom, can we stop at the park?" So we went and stopped at the park. My boys are 13. They way too old to go to the park, but they had such a beautiful time playing on the swings and just laughing. And it was just such a nice day that we wouldn't have gotten to have if COVID hadn't been here. So I think it's important to stop and cherish those special moments that we're getting to enjoy this year that we may not get to have otherwise. I know it's easy to get caught up in all the hectic craziness of this virus, but there's a lot of blessings that have come about as well. So I want to make sure that I document those. So I left myself some space there to journal that. And you can see I'm just primarily using a lot of the printables. I created that little piece down at the bottom with some of the torn papers. I used some of the enamel stickers to mark off those little check boxes. That was a fun way to bring some more color and texture over to that page. I try not to be too chunky in this journal. The nice thing about printables is you can print on whatever you want. So I did print these on cardstock, but you could even print on sticker paper, or even just plain copy paper would be thinner, which would be perfect for a project like this. And the Creative Retreat kits, their stickers and things and stamps are sized a little bit smaller for Bible journaling, but they're also perfect for small journals like this and little projects like this. So definitely check it out. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. It's pretty simple today. Everything is linked in the description box down below for you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.